Okay, the inaugural microwaving at World Programming of...
A thing. We don't know what it is, but it's quite heavy, probably quite juicy, and we thought it might microwave.
Yes.
We'll put it upside down because it stands up better.
Behold! La! Do 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 do
Richard? Half power?
Full power
Full power.
for 30 seconds.
I'm going to do a minute.
Mmm, smells quite delicious.
Still don't know what it is. I think we have to put it back in the fruit bowl once we've microwaved it to death.
If it hasn't burst, that would be quite funny. It's a bit like the banana when it sort of cooked.
We set off the fire alarm, this is your fault.
No, this is not my fault. This is your idea.
Not really doing anything, is it?
Oh, it finished. We need more power. Oh.
It hasn't really done anything. It's quite warm.
Is it?
More power!
More power! Make it explode! Is it swelling up yet?
What, the fruit?
Yeah. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to record all of this.
I think we might have some sizzleage. What's wrong with the smell? I think we better stop there. Don't breathe this. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's oozing.
It smells.
It's oozing.
It is oozing, but what is it?
I don't know. But it is oozing.
Smells like some sort of fruit crumble. Ooze.
Got a nice gash.
Scrumptious. So, Gary, did it microwave?
Yes, it did. It oozed. Look at this oozage.
Do you think we better put it in the bin now?
No, let's put it on there for display.